Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sona's English podcast. Today, I have a little announcement to make. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably noticed that all of my previous videos were faceless. You only heard my voice while I shared my English lessons and practiced with you. Well, that is going to change. From now on, you will be seeing me in my videos. The main reason is that I'm working toward getting this channel monetized. YouTube now expects creators to produce more original and more authentic content, and appearing in my videos is an important part of that journey. But honestly, I think this change is a good thing. I believe it's much easier to connect with someone when you actually see the person you're learning from. It makes the lessons more personal, more engaging, and hopefully a lot more enjoyable. Don't worry, my goal is still the same: to help you improve your English in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. In fact, I have lots of new ideas for this channel. We will continue learning English together, and I'll be creating even better content in the future. I just wanted to let you know about this change, and thank you for being here. Whether you've been with me since my very first video or you've just discovered my channel, I truly appreciate your support. If you're excited about this new chapter, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!